do it yourself or DIY?
DIY.
Helen lived in a big and comfortable room. He felt confused about her own feeling. About her own feeling.
Read the book. Read the text in the book.
So, in that house, there are 3 friends who live together with her. Her friend give her many ideas. David suggests to move the bed under the window. Matt suggests to move the stuff. Meanwhile, Jane suggests to paint the wall. But Helen doesn't understand any suggestion that her friend gives.
Speak louder.
She is very fussy and she doesn't like painting. Like today, she has lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. So she thinks it is impossible to do it. So Jane offers help for Helen to paint the wall together. Meg and David also agree with the idea. But before Helen goes out, Matt asks about the color with Helen. But Helen doesn't give any clear answer for Matt. So Jane decides to leave it with them. At the DIY store, Meg, David, and Jane look. There are many colors. David found the black color, but that is not a good choice for Jane and Matt. They move to another shop, and Jane finds the Tosca color, but the price is too expensive. So they move to another shop. Jane finds the orange color. The color is same like matte t-shirt, and the price is also affordable. So they took 2 cans. After go home, they move the stuff and start to paint the wall. It's a happy job to move and arrange the stuff. After that, they start to paint the wall. They feel happy with the color. After they finish, they wait. Helen goes home. Helen goes home and she goes upstairs directly. She doesn't like my t-shirt because she feels orange color is horrible. So Helen walks to her room and she screams with the room color because she doesn't like orange color.
Dan ya. Give applause for Fata. Okay, Revata, what is the moral story from the video that you can take?
The moral story: if we want to help our friend, we do not to decide or leave it with our. We need to ask before help someone.
Okay, let's say you ask some help to your friends and then it turns out the result is not like what you are expected. What will you do? Let's say you ask some help from what's his name? Azriel does that, but the result is not really good. Yeah, the result, like the, how to say, it is not like what you want, like that. Let's say you ask Azriel to buy matcha in Kinikawa, but because he is lazy, he buys it in Indomaret. Of course, it will be different, like you like what you expected. So, what will you do?
Just take it and doesn't give any decision who helps out.
Okay. Let's ask question to Revata from, what's your name? Letitia. Ask question to Revata.
Okay,
What
does David ask to Helen before Helen goes out the room?
Can you repeat?
What does David ask to Helen before she goes out?
David asks for Helen what the color to paint the wall.
Soka. Would you want to give question?
Okay. Still about the MI video, of course. So I want to ask you, what do you think about Helen in the video? Because in the first, she doesn't give any clear instruction. Okay? And then after that, she doesn't say thank you also to the friend. So what do you think about her?
I think what Helen not want to get Kalau
Complicated.
Helen doesn't like to with complicated
Things.
things. He want to the easy way what he want to do.
Okay. Okay, Revata, can you give me questions? 2 or 3?
Can just
One question. One question only. Any question?
Can you give any morals for what my presentation?
Your presentation or from the video? Your presentation. You want me to give you feedback or moral story? Feedback. Okay. Honest answer or I will put some sugar in my words. Which one? Honest or lie? Okay. Honest feedback ya. Okay. First, when we do presentation, make sure we have eye contact to the audience, and then because you just stand there, make sure you use the hand gesture, okay, with your hand. After that, make sure to speak. You have really good skill in English, but if you speak slowly with low voice, we cannot hear your excellent English, Revata. Okay, so make sure to speak louder, like that. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Good job.